Hi my lovely viewers, this is Already World Learning Tutorials online for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to insert hyperlink in Google Chat text message. So for this case we have to go to the Google Chat. Here I have opened it. So before that I will log in another account. This is my institutional account. So here my another account. So go to this and we will click here chat. Here the Janatul Ferdos we will send something what, so this link we will send. So before that we will create the text. So for this case first on here this, oh sorry, this here is the formatting options. See here we will get the different formats or different option things. So click here insert link. So click this link. See the text. When we text these words, then we have to set the link. So what kinds of link? These links against this text. So when we see this, then we have to press the apply. See, the thing has revealed in this way. So now if we send, see I have seen this. When we press this link and we will go to the page, this page. So before that we will delete or close this tab. So here we have only one tab. So now when we click this and the page has come. See, the page has come. So in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.